Okay, we are still in level 2. This is part 2. You would have just finished doing the TikTok songs, and now we're going to continue from there. You'll have a printout called, you'll either have the whole printout of level 2, or you will still be working with the printout called day 3 and 4 of your lessons. Now we're going to mix the rhythm up a little bit. So quarter notes and half notes. The quarter note is the black note that we've already been looking at. The C, the middle C, has been written as a quarter note, which gets one beat. We called it a tick-tock beat. The half note looks exactly the same, but it's not colored in. It's not black, it's white. And so that gets two beats. So you're going to hold it twice as long. And here, let's look at it in a C. So, as you know, the tick-tock, or the quarter note C, is black. Can you see that? And the half note C is white. It's the same exact note on the piano, only one you're going to play and say tick-tock, and the other one you're going to play the C again and say tick-tock, tick-tock. Has two beats, so you hold it out longer. And we're going to apply that. This counting practice page, all it is two half notes, two middle C half notes. So here, I'm going to just show it to you and you can listen. I'll play it while you're looking at this. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Super simple. And we're going to apply that to a song called the Happy Half Note Song. And hold your half notes in just a minute. I want you to take a moment now, and you are going to make me a promise, or you're going to make yourself a promise. So I've been teaching for 30 years now, and people look at me and say, no, you can't be, you don't look that old, but believe me, I am. I have 5 kids and I have 6 grandkids, so I'm old enough. Anyway, so this is what I have learned, and this is what I've seen over the years. When you count the beats to a song, it is really important to count out loud. Something happens when you count in your head. The rhythm gets messed up. It's just really, it's really weird. I'll have somebody come to lessons and they will play their song, and I'll say, are you counting? And they'll say, yes, in my head. And the song does not, the rhythm is not right. And then I'll say, okay, now play it for me, counting out loud, and the rhythm comes out perfect. So something happens, the rhythm gets lost when you're counting in your head. This may not happen when you become very proficient than counting in your head, but still you'll see musicians keeping some kind of external count, whether it be nodding their head, whether it be maybe even moving their body in a rhythm, tapping their foot. And in the beginning, what you're going to be doing is counting out loud. So the promise is this. I have it written in the book. It says, I promise I will always count the beats of a song out loud. Okay? One thing that you could do, because sometimes it's easy to adjust the counting to match your irregular rhythm with your fingers, you can record yourself counting. Just keep counting, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, and then play it back to yourself as you play. Eventually we're going to be changing that to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and either way, I need you to do it out loud, okay? Promise, 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 because it's really important that you do that. happy half note song. You ready for that? Let's go ahead and have the camera come back. So you can see that the happy half note song has quarter notes and half notes in it. And again, do you see what I mean by concept upon concept? We're only going to do this on C's right now because it's all you know, and we're going to learn half notes and quarter notes. So the way this is going to sound, 3CC, is like this. You're going to stay right here on the music, eyes on the music. You already know where your hands go. Okay, you already know where your hands go. Thumb on C. Get all your fingers in place. Now you're going to keep your eyes on the music. And I will count. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. So I'm holding that second C and not letting go until I say both tick tocks. Let's watch it on the piano now. I'm going to repeat that first line. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay, now you do it. I'm going to count to 3 and you can start. 1, 2, 3, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay, so I'll start from the beginning and my hands in place and the camera is going to be on the music. Tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Second line, 5, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, hold, tock. Third line, 5, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Last line, 3, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay. Okay, so hold your half notes. This time, let's have the camera on my hands for the first 2 lines, and then the camera will go back to the music for the second 2 lines. So have your hands in place and let's go ahead and start together. Count out loud with me. Ready? Go. Tick, tock, 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 tick, tock. Last line, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock, tick, tock. Okay. Okay, so that concludes this session of level 2. We have one more video for level 2. So you'll follow on your printout the next song, or the next page is called Piano Key Names. And so if you don't have the printout of the whole lesson level 2, then your next printout will be day 5 and 6.